Hi everyone, I want to introduce my visual museum for construction robotics. My simulation goal is to create a visual museum where students can learn applications and technologies of construction robots. And my design method is to create a visual museum in popular visual collaborative space, Mozilla Hubs. And my learning approach is there are two main sections in the visual museum simulation. The first one is regular museum space. Students can learn user interfaces of Mozilla Hubs and learn development of four-legged robots. And the last one, learn what sport is and its applications and technologies are. The next one is visual construction site. The students can understand how sport avoid collisions with construction workers and understand how construction workers operate sport. And last one, they can learn more information about sport by click external link. The learning goal is to understand basic information about construction robots. The development of visual museum construction robotics. The first one, I create sports with animations and place them into visual construction sites. I also provide a simple introduction about application of sport in construction site. I get some feedback from professors and other students. The collision happens between avatar and the construction ground, and the external link is hard to click. The text in road sign is hard to read. And more information was required for introducing construction robots. Based on this feedback, I improved my visual museum. The first one, I add learning goal of the visual museum, and then fix collision in construction sites. I also add regular museum for introducing user interfaces of Mozilla Hubs and popular construction robotics, what sport is, and the development of cooperative robots. And I also amplify introducing text and clear railroad sign, amplifying external link. What went wrong? The too much text in regular museums. Maybe I can use the video or voice to replace the too much text. And the visual construction size is not enough actual comparing real-world construction sites. That's because the model with limited size is not it have not good quality. And the last one, only one construction robot type in this simulation. I don't have enough time to create the many robot models, so for future I think it's easy to fix. And what went right? The Visual Museum is a good proposal to introduce a new technology for construction education, and the Visual Collaborative Space is good technology to improve students' engagement and immersion. And what did I learn from the experience? I learned how to use Mozilla Hubs as an external learning tool, and I learned the workflow of design educational simulation, and I learned appropriate design features in education simulations, and it can improve learning engagement and effectiveness.